Hello students. The next class हम देखते Coulomb's law and its vector form. आज देखिए हमें observations of the Coulomb's law. Observations. Observations of Coulomb's law. Clear? Observations of Coulomb's law. तो फर्स्ट है द Coulomb's law is an experimental law. Coulomb's law is an experimental law. Coulomb's law is an experimental law. है second one is Coulomb's force obeys the inverse square law कारण F is direct inversely proportional to R square. Coulomb's force obeys inverse square law. Inverse square law कारण हम जाने से F is inversely proportional कहते थे 1 by R square. Coulomb's force obeys inverse square law. Third one, Coulomb's force not affected by the presence or absence of any other charge. Coulomb's force is not affected by presence or absence of any other charge clear ताल दीटा चार्ज पाखरे यदि आमे थर्ड चार्ज रखिबा ताल द फोर्स बिटवीन द टू चार्जेस नॉट अफेक्टेड किंबा आमे यदि चार्ज काढी नबा ताहले मध्ये दीटा कोन हबो दीटा फोर्स दीटा चार्ज सपोज एटा बटे चार्ज दिस इज चार्ज आ भितर जति की फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बा रिपल्सन इट इज नॉट अफेक्टेड बाय प्रेजेंस और एब्सेंस ऑफ एनी अदर चार्ज नियर टू इट क्लियर नेक्स्ट वन देखिबा Coulomb's force is a central force. Coulomb's force is a central force. Charge. Coulomb's force is a central force. Coulomb's force is a central force. Clear? Coulomb's force is a central force. Clear? Because it acts along the line joining the two centers. ये गोटे चार्ज कौन कहते हैं लास्ट लाइन ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट द फोर्स acts along the line joining the two charges. तो Coulomb's force is a central force. Next, Coulomb's force is conservative. Coulomb's force is conservative. What do you mean by conservative? Work done by the force is independent of the path. आमे जेतले वर्क डन बाहर करिया क्या सहित विथ फोर्स दैट डज नॉट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द पाथ फॉलोड बाय द बॉडी तो Coulomb's force is conservative. It is independent of the path. जेमिति द लाइक कोन हबो और gravitational force is a conservative force. So the electric force by electrostatic is a conservative force. Clear? So these are the some observations of the Coulomb's law. So next like you are so this force by Coulomb's force is valid for along short and large distances. Coulomb's force is applied for a very short बाईटा को आम कहीपर कूलम फोर्स इज ए लॉन्ग रेंज फोर्स इज ए लॉन्ग रेंज फोर्स कूलम फोर्स इज ए लॉन्ग रेंज फोर्स कूलम फोर्स इज ए लॉन्ग रेंज फोर्स क्लियर जेहेतु एफ इज कौन थी इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू आर स्क्वायर एंड फोर्स विल बी जीरो व्हेन आर इज इक्वल टू इनफाइनाइट तो देयरफॉर इट इज ए लॉन्ग रेंज फोर्स क्लियर तो नेक्स्ट टाइम देखिए व्हाट आर द लिमिटेशंस ऑफ द कूलम्स लॉ limitations of the Coulomb's law limitations but drawbacks limitations of Coulomb's law what are the limitations drawbacks by limitations of Coulomb's law तले हमें कौन कहबा लिमिटेशन प्रथम है स्टेटमेंट रो में पाई परिबा कौन कहतिला स्टेटमेंट the magnitude of the force depends upon कापरे the product of the two charges की charge point charge तल first limitation है Coulomb's law is only applicable for the point charges at rest है Coulomb's force is applicable for 2 point charges at rest 2 point charges at rest है ना दुटा चार्ज कौन थी दरकार पॉइंट चार्ज होता सहित रेस्ट थी दरकार ताहाले जाय कि वी कैन अप्लाई द Coulomb's law otherwise we cannot apply the Coulomb's law if the two charges are not point charge or if the 2 point charges are in motion then we should not apply the Coulomb's force by Coulomb's law second Coulomb's law is valid for a short force by a small distance not below 10 to the power minus 15 the Coulomb's force is applicable for a distance of 10 to the power minus 15 meter to 10 to the power 18 meter 10 to the power minus 15 meter to 10 to the power 18 meter if the distance is less than 10 to the power 15 meter जदि 10 to the power minus 15 meter रुहे तल से जगह रे Coulomb force काम करिवो नहीं because there is another force which is much stronger than the Coulomb force that is known as the nuclear force है Coulomb force is applicable for a distance of 10 to the power minus 15 to 10 to the power 18 meter clear तो नेक्स्ट टाइम जीवा unit of charge tale unit of charge how can you find out the unit of charge from the Coulomb force unit of charge ହେଲା the unit of charge आमे कौन जानि छे the F is equal to ହେଲା K Q1 Q2 by R square clear आमे बर्तन बाहर करे कौन यूनिट ऑफ चार्ज प्रथम है इन SI we know in SI and air medium F is equal केते थिला 1/4πε0 Q1 Q2 by R square हला in SI हमर Coulomb force ए जो चार्ज Q1 and Q2 the charge is expressed but charge is measured in Coulomb in SI हला the unit of a charge is Coulomb COULOMB and it is represented by capital C Coulomb so when you write the unit of charge you can write a small letter all are expressed in small letter as Coulomb is a name of the scientist Charles Augustin Coulomb है जार ना अनुसार फोर्स बाहर तो से अनुसार जेहेतु इट इज ए कौन द नेम ऑफ ए साइंटिस्ट तो इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय द इनिशियल लेटर इन कैपिटल फॉर्म है द यूनिट ऑफ चार्ज इज Coulomb इज कोलम एसआई रे जदि आम देखा इन सीजीएस तो सीजीएस रे जदि देखा ताल यूनिट ऑफ चार्ज तो सीजीएस रे दुईटा यूनिट गोटे है ESU आपको कहा इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक यूनिट इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक यूनिट ESU in ESU unit of charge is stat coulomb stat coulomb COULOMB and it is represented by ST hyphen capital C stat coulomb. Similarly in CGS system there is another unit EMU आपका है इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक यूनिट बा यू कैन से दैट इलेक्ट्रोमोटिव यूनिट कही पार कारण व्हेन द चार्जेस आर इन मोशन देयर इज ए मैग्नेटिक फील्ड तेणु ये कहला इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक और यू कैन से इलेक्ट्रोमोटिव फोर्स तर यूनिट ऑफ चार्ज is absolute coulomb that is represented by AB hyphen capital C absolute coulomb. Clear? So these are the units of charge. The SI unit, that is the unit of charge, is coulomb. In CGS system there are two units. One is the electrostatic unit ESU electrostatic unit. In electrostatic unit the unit of charge is start coulomb. Then another is the EMU electromotive unit, that is the unit of charge is absolute coulomb, that is called AB coulomb. Clear? So these are the units of charge. So एबे देखिबा the relation between this coulomb state coulomb, the relation between coulomb and absolute coulomb हला relation. तो relation first हम देखिबा relation. The first relation है coulomb and state coulomb. तो एक रहला coulomb and state coulomb. Coulomb and state coulomb है ना. So what is the relation between coulomb and state coulomb? C and ST is the relation form. देखिए तो 1 coulomb is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 9 state coulomb है ना. तो गोटे coulomb होची 3 into 10 to the power 9 state coulomb. This is the another relation coulomb and ab coulomb. Coulomb and ab coulomb. So this is the relation 1 coulomb is equal to 1 by 10 ab coulomb है ना. So 1 is the relation coulomb and state coulomb, that is equal to 1 coulomb is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 9 state coulomb. Then the coulomb and ab coulomb, 1 coulomb is equal to 1 by 10 ab coulomb. Then if we write the relation among coulomb, ab coulomb and state coulomb, relation coulomb, state coulomb and ab coulomb. So what is the relation between coulomb, state coulomb and ab coulomb? So 1 coulomb is equal to this, 1 coulomb is equal to this. So we can write 1 coulomb is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 9 state coulomb, and this is equal to 1 by 10 ab coulomb. Clear? So 1 coulomb is equal to 3 into 10 to the 9 state coulomb, 1 by 10 ab coulomb. So this can be written as, so multiply 10, so that is equal to 10 coulomb is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 10 state coulomb is equal to এটা লিখতে 1 ab coulomb है ना. তাহলে 10 কুলম ইজ ইকুয়াল টু 3 into 10 to the power 10 স্টেট কুলম ইজ ইকুয়াল টু 1 এবি কুলম ହେଲା। তাহলে এঠু আমি কল পাইলে দেখো 10 কুলম, this is 1 এবি কুলম, this is your স্টেট কুলম। তাহলে which one is the bigger? The এবি কুলম is largest unit. এবি কুলম is greater than কুলম is greater than 3 into 10 to the power 9 স্টেট কুলম। ক্লিয়ার? স্টেট কুলম है। তাহলে এবি কুলম is greater than C is greater than 3 into 10 to the power 9 স্টেট কুলম। ক্লিয়ার? Next, these are the relations of the carrier, that is the different system of units. Next, तो साधारणतः गोटे क्वेश्चन बारंबार काउंसिल आसे, derive the relation between coulomb and state coulomb. Derive a relation between coulomb and state coulomb. Coulomb and state coulomb. Derive the relation between coulomb and state coulomb. That means, already, amane kon 1 coulomb is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 9 state coulomb. Now derive it. How? 1 coulomb is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 9 state coulomb. Suppose 2 point charges, let it be 2 point charges है। तो दीटा पॉइंट चार्ज रहा एंड द सेपरेशन बिटवीन देम है एटा केते हला 1 कूलम। 2 आर द लाइक चार्जेस 1 कूलम, दिस इज इक्वल टू Q2 and this is equal to Q1. The two like charges of 1 coulomb separated by a distance of 1 meter in air, 1 meter in air है। The two charges of 1 coulomb separated by a distance of 1 meter in air. So there is a force, that is the repulsive force, कारण जेहेतु like charges and this act along this line, this is a force. So this force, let it be F, and this is also F. So according to, we know that, so what is the force? Coulomb force. F is equal to, এটা কোন আছে? SI system in air. তাহলে F is equal to 1 by S 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by R square. So this is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 Q1 है कहते 1 coulomb। ताहले 1 into 1 divided by 1 square। Clear? 1 by 4 pi epsilon 9 into 10 to the 9। Q1 is equal to 1 coulomb, Q2 is equal to 1 coulomb, product है Q1 and Q2 divided by 1 meter, that is equal to 1 square। So this is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton। Clear? The force between the two charges कहते वाला 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton. This is the equation 1. This is equation 1. Suppose let 1 coulomb is equal to, आपको हमें कोथे बार करिया CGS रे, एटा ला in SI रे जदि हमें देखिले ती पाइले, जदि हमें CGS रे बाहर करिवा ताल केता हो in CGS, yes CGS रे जदि बाहर करिवा ताल कोन देखो, let 1 coulomb, let हमें CGS को कन्वर्ट करिवा, let 1 coulomb is equal to x state coulomb है। We do not, what is the state coulomb? I do not 1 coulomb is equal to how much state coulomb? Let it be x। एटी 1 meter केते अछि 100, you know। then ताले बर्तन देखिबा, ताले what is the force between them? ताले आंको इधर force हला केते in CGS system, तो F is equal to K is equal to 1, so this is equal to Q1 Q2 by R square। in CGS K is equal to 1, ताले बर्तन केते गला एटी, ताले this is equal to Q1 केते हला x state coulomb, ताले x state coulomb into x state coulomb divided by s। r कहते हैं 1 मीटर, 1 मीटर को हमें लिख पारिबा 100 सेंटीमीटर र स्क्वायर তাহলে দিস ইজ ইকুয়াল টু এক্স এক্স হল এক্স স্কোয়ার বাই 10 টু দ্য পাওয়ার 4 এটা কোন হবে ইউনিট ডাইন 10 টু দ্য পাওয়ার 4 ডাইন তাহলে এক্স স্কোয়ার বাই 10 টু দ্য পাওয়ার 4 ডাইন ক্লিয়ার তাহলে এটি কোন বাহারছি দুইটা চার্জ ভিতরে ফোর্স কেতে আছে নিউটন এটি কোন বাহারলা ডাইন নাও ইট কনভার্ট ইনটু নিউটন ହେଲା তাহলে লিখিবা তাহলে this can be written as তাহলে x square into 10 to the power minus 4 then dyne yes 1 newton is equal to 10 to the power 5 dyne বা 1 dyne is equal to 10 to the power minus 5 newton যেহেতু 1 newton is equal to 10 to the power 5 dyne clear next তাহলে এবে দেখো কোন হবে তাহলে এটা লাগাতে তাহলে f is equal to x square 10 to the power minus 4 minus 5 that is called 10 to the power minus 9 newton তাহলে this is the equation 2 ହେଲା सही फोर्स दुटा चार्ज में केते भारतला हमर 9 into 10 to the power 9 सही फोर्स कोन भारला एठी दिस एति न्यूटन ताले फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 and 2 we get from equation 1 and 2 we get from equation 1 and 2 we get তাহলে কোন পাইবা না x square into 10 to the power minus 9 is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 ହେଲା তাহলে that implies what about x square তাহলে x square is equal to এপট পড়াইলা তাহলে 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the power 9 ହେଲା তাহলে x square is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the power 9 তাহলে this is equal to কেতে গেলা তাহলে x square তাহলে x কেতে গেলা তাহলে x is equal to 9 লো রুটার কেতে গেলা 3 into 10 to the power 9 ये ला 10 to the 9 तो रूटर केते ला 1 10 to the 9 তাহলে x is equal to কেতে গেলা 3 into 10 to the power 9 তাহলে আমি কোন নেইছিলে let 1 coulomb is equal to x state coulomb তাহলে 1 coulomb is equal to x জায়গায় কেতে লিখবা 3 into 10 to the power 9 state coulomb clear so this is the 1 coulomb is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 9 state coulomb clear তাহলে এটা হলো তোমার by using the Coulomb's law how can you find out the units of charge so next time देखिवा similarly by using the Coulomb's force now we find the units and the dimension of charge that is the permittivity ହେଲା the unit of epsilon or epsilon 0 or epsilon unit because this is the permittivity of air this is the permittivity of any medium so both are the same physical quantity one is air raw another is the medium raw so both are the same quantity so unit how can you find out so from Coulomb's law we know that from Coulomb's law we know that F is equal to now 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 by r square clear so that implies what about epsilon 0 so epsilon 0 is equal to 1 by 4 pi 1 by 4 pi q1 q2 divided by f into r square similarly epsilon কেতে হইଯିବ না 1 by 4 pi q1 q2 by f r square or we can write epsilon is equal to 1 by 4 pi q1 q2 by f r square this is for air and this is for any other medium now what is the unit the unit তাহলে in SI ହେଲା তাহলে unit of কাହାର epsilon 0 the unit of epsilon 0 তাহলে দেখো তাহলে যেহেতু 1 by 4 pi this is a constant এবং q1 that is the coulomb this is coulomb newton meter square তার ক্ষেত্রে রইলা coulomb square by newton meter square or we can write दैट इज এটা কেতে গেলা কুলম স্কয়ার নিউটন मीटर -2 clear similarly epsilon we can find same thing epsilon কেতে গেলা কুলম স্কয়ার হ্যাঁ by newton per meter square বা that is equal to কেতে গেলা কুলম স্কয়ার নিউটন মিটার -2 clear this is the unit of epsilon 0 and epsilon ହେଲା तेबे हमें देखिबा what is the unit of epsilon r clear unit of epsilon r the unit of epsilon r देखो next time देखिबा unit of epsilon r तो what is the epsilon r তাহলে आज epsilon r is the ratio of epsilon by epsilon 0 the permittivity of the medium to the permittivity of air तो r unit जहाँ r unit से both the units are same ताले कौन है गला ताले आज epsilon r is equal to यत्ती की epsilon and epsilon 0 have same units so epsilon r is unitless so epsilon r is unitless epsilon r कौन है गला unitless clear next time जीबा dimension हैला तो एबे हमें बाहर करीबा dimension what is the dimension the dimension of similarly प्रथम बाहर करीबा dimension of कहरा epsilon 0 and epsilon r dimensions of epsilon 0 or epsilon हैला तो dimensions of कहरा epsilon 0 or epsilon देखो तले हमें कौन पाई थिले तले आज तो f is equal to same thing 1/4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 by r square Coulomb's law so that implies epsilon 0 is equal to 1/4 pi q1 q2 by f r square now find the dimensional formula the dimensional formula is equal to 1/4 pi this is a constant no dimension और ये लगे q1 yes तो q1 रा dimensional formula into q2 रा dimensional formula divided by f रा dimensional formula into r square रा dimensional formula clear तो this is equal to क्या थे गला q1 है क्या 80 current q is equal to it कारण you are familiar with I is equal to q by t current is equal to charge by time तले q is equal to it हैला तले q कहते हैं गला that is equal to I into t I is a fundamental quantity that is equal to a and t is the time that is also a fundamental quantity कहते हैं गला t तले q1 है ला 80 then this is another that is equal to 80 now divide by f है ला कहते तले m1 L1 t minus 2 force m1 L1 t minus 2 by L square clear तले m1 L1 t minus 2 by L square हैला तले this is equal to कहते गला देखो तले ठीक कौन है m1 ऊपर गला that is equal to -1 तापर L वर्तन देखो L1 ये है L square कहते हैं LQ तल that is equal to L minus 3 then एठी है T minus 2 ऊपर गला T2 ये है T4 तल that is equal to T4 next और लगे A into A that is equal to S square हैला this is the dimensional formula of epsilon 0 m minus 1 L minus 3 T4 S square similarly we can find हैला क्या है epsilon same thing हैला similarly we get similarly तल epsilon ला dimensional formula is equal to same thing सती बारी बताल that is equal to m minus 1 l minus 3 t4 and a square. Clear? This is the dimensional formula of kaharo epsilon. Gote la epsilon 0 out la epsilon. Clear? Next. तो एबे में देखिए व्हाट इज द डायमेंशनल फार्मूला ऑफ रिलेटिव परमिटिविटी. यस, द डायमेंशनल फार्मूला ऑफ रिलेटिव परमिटिविटी. देखो डायमेंशंस है डायमेंशंस ऑफ रिलेटिव परमिटिविटी एप्सिलॉन आर है. ताले आज एप्सिलॉन आर इज इक्वल टू एप्सिलॉन बाई एप्सिलॉन 0 and E epsilon 0 both have same dimensions. ताले आज epsilon dimensional formula of epsilon is equal to dimensional formula of epsilon 0. So ताले epsilon r कौन है गला dimensionless. So epsilon r is dimensionless. Clear? जेहेतु बोथ आर द सेम फिजिकल कोड सेम डायमेंशन ताले एप्सिलॉन आर कोन हो गला डायमेंशनलेस. प्रथम बाहर करथिले एप्सिलॉन आर रो यूनिटलेस एबे देखले एप्सिलॉन आर इज डायमेंशनलेस. जेहेतु आर यूनिट नाही डायमेंशन नाही ताले डटे कोन इट इज ए प्योर नंबर हला. ताले एप्सिलॉन आर रिलेटिव परमिटिविटी इज ए प्योर नंबर बिकॉज इट हैज नो यूनिट एंड डायमेंशन. ताले इट इज ए प्योर नंबर. It is the unitless, dimensionless, so it is a pure number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever may be. जब दे में कुछ AR dimension relative permittivity कहते 1. It is unitless, dimensionless. Clear? तो next टाइम जीवा. तो ये है ला हमारा Coulomb's force जोड़ा कि the force between the two charges. है ला. Suppose यदि कहा जाए what is the force find the force between the two electrons separated by some distance है जदि कहा जाए find the force between two charges हो find the force between two charges मन कर गोटे देली 2 microcoulomb and 6 microcoulomb separated by a distance of 10 centimeter in air. Separated by 10 centimeter in air. Hala? Find the force between two charges. Dali kon 2 microcoulomb and 6 microcoulomb separated by a distance of 10 centimeter in air. ताले कहते हैं force अब. Yes. ताले वर्तमान हमें केमिति how to solve this problem. ताले हमें केमिति problem को solve करिवा. हला. ताले before it, the read the questions frequently. Question को भला भाବରେ पढ़ो. Find the force between two charges 2 microcoulomb and 6 microcoulomb separated by a distance 10 centimeter. Underline the numerical data. So this a charge, this is another charge. Here Q1 is equal to 2 microcoulomb. That is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. Q2 that is equal to 6 microcoulomb. That is equal to 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. Clear? Then distance कहते देछे 10 centimeter. D by R जहाँ में फॉर्मूला रे लिखी छे से अनुसार सिंबल यूज करिवो. तल R is equal to 10 centimeter. That is equal to 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. सबବେଳେ you always convert into SI unit. Then कौन मांगी जी क्वेश्चन ले find the force तल F is equal to question mark. Clear? The left side is the given data and the right side is the required data. तल हमर देछि कोड first you underline the numerical values 2 microcoulomb 6 microcoulomb and 10 centimeter. 6 microcoulomb is the one of the charge, 6 microcoulomb is the another charge, and this ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କ'ଣ ଦେଇଛି AR medium ଦେଲା AR medium କ'ଣ ଦେଲା AR medium ଦେଲା AR clear. ତାହେଲେ how can you find out the F? ତାହେଲେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମାଗିଛି କ'ଣ F. Now search what is the relation between F, Q1, Q2 and R and medium. All are in SI unit. SI unit in AR medium. Then what is the force? Relation of the force. 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by kete kahitila R square. Tale now write the relation. First you write the formula as F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. jehetu ame numericals karuche, we always write the values 10 to the power 9. 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 la 9 10 9. Then Q1 Q2 by R square. Q1 Q2 by square. Q1 lagate 2. Tale 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 Q2. Then 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by R square. R lagate 10 to the power ye lagate minus 2 ye la 1. Then minus 1 la whole square. Minus 1 la whole square. This is ela. Sorry. हमें इटा लिखी दियो आज आगे फॉर्मूला लिखी दियो आज F is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 Q1 Q2 by R square. Write the formula first. Then F is equal to put the values. तल कितने गला ठीक? तल 9 into 10 to the power 9. Yes. 212 into 10 to the power minus 612 divided by 10 to the power minus 2. Clear? तल कहते गला देखो तल दिस इज इक्वल टू एटा कहते गला तले 9 into 10 to the sorry the numerical value आगे देखो एटा ला कहते 9 into 12 108 into 10 to the power कहते गला हला एटा ला कहते -2 ऊपर गला +2 minus 2 कहते गला 11 और ला 10 to the power -1 हला ये गला +2 now 11 ये ला minus तो that is equal to 10.8 Newton. Clear? So the force between them कहते 10.8 Newton. Clear? तो every भाବରେ you can find out the forces by using the Coulomb's law between the 2 point charges. हला तो एबे देखिबा there is another question. Suppose question asking the force, what is the minimum force between the two charges when separated by 1 meter? Tale kon haba what is the find the minimum force find the minimum force between 2 point charges between 2 point charges separated by है 1 meter in air 1 meter in air है तो what is the minimum force between the 2 point charges separated by 1 meter in air तल कौन हो देखो एटी डाटा कई 1 meter only 1 meter is here आउ डाटा नहीं the minimum force between the two charges separated by 1 meter in air हला केमती बाहर करिबा तले here only r is given that is equal to 1 meter and medium is air and medium दला कौन air हला तो मागिस कौन find the minimum force yes find the F minimum not min force F minimum मागिस find the minimum force between the two charges separated by 1 meter in air. How can you find out the minimum force? Hela suppose these are the two charges. It is charge, this is the charge. Hela so this is your Q1 and this is your Q2. They are separated by distance like 1 meter in air. Then what is the minimum force? Yes, the force, this force. When will the force will be minimum? Tell me, when will be the force minimum? तो केते बेले फोर्स टा मिनिमम हबो आमे कोन जानि छे द फोर्स इज नथिंग बट दैट इज इक्वल टू फार्मूला कोन 1/4 pi epsilon 0 তাহলে আজ F is equal to yes 1/4 pi epsilon 0 বা we can write 9 into 10 to the 9 যেহেতু আমি নিউমেরিক্যালস করিয়া যাচ্ছে তাহলে আমি তার ভ্যালু লিখবা 9 into 10 to the power 9 then Q1 Q2 by R square है तो फोर्स R is given कहते देखिए 1 मीटर एयर मीडियम पे এটা ভালো তাহলে this is equal to कहते গেলা 9 into 10 to the power 9 R एला 1 into Q1 Q2 क्लियर है ना তাহলে F is equal to 9 into 10 to the 9 Q1 into Q2 बस क्वेश्चन asking find the minimum force between the two charges. Then how can you find out the minimum force between the two charges? The force देखिए then force will be minimum when this is a constant and Q1 Q2 then कौन होगा the force will be minimum if Q1 and Q2 both are minimum. Clear? The question लिखा है minimum force तेरे हमको कौन बाहर करी पड़ेगा the force will be minimum for F mean for minimum force the for minimum force তাহলে কোন হবে Q1 and Q2 should be minimum তাহলে Q1 और Q2 উভয় কোন হবে minimum যেহেতু it is product তাহলে force Q1 और Q2 কোন হবে minimum হবে তাহলে what is the minimum charge a minimum charge কেতে for minimum force the Q1 Q2 should be minimum and the minimum charge is plus is কেতে লা E that is the minimum charge that can be possible in nature is equal to charge of electron or proton. So for minimum Q1 is equal to Q2 the magnitude of Q1 Q2 is equal to E. This is the minimum charge. For minimum force Q1 Q2 is equal to E that is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Clear? Then now find out the value of F mean. তাহলে F mean is equal to কেতে গেল তাহলে 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the 9 then Q1 is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 clear তাহলে F mean কেতে গেল 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 1.6 into এতিকি into 1.6 তাহলে এটা কেতে গেল তাহলে this is equal to তাহলে এটা কেতে যাব তাহলে 9 into 10 to the power 9 yes তাহলে 1.6 that is equal to 2.56 into 10 to the power minus 19 minus 38 clear তাহলে then we find out this তাহলে 954 4 9 45 4 49 হলে 2.5 69 954 4 ला 5 945 4 49 4 9 18 4 22 তাহলে 29.94 into 10 to the power কেতে লা minus 29 हैला তাহলে this is the minimum force that can exist between the two charges separated by a distance of 1 meter. Clear? So 29.94 but we can write केते ला 2.294 एटला 10 ले 10 to the power minus 28 Newton. Clear? हैला next তবে আর একটা কোশ্চেন দেখিবা হলা a charge is divided into two parts so that a charge is divided into two parts হলা a charge is divided into two parts. A charge is divided into two parts है ना तले गोटे चार्ज को हमें कौन कले divided into two parts है ना तले केमिति डिवाइड करे how they divide two parts so that the force is minimum when they are separated by some distance so that हमें एवरी डिवाइड करा so that the force between them so that the force between them is minimum when they are separated by some distance in air है so कहे a charge is divided into two parts गोटे चार्ज को हमें एभली भाव में दुई भारी व्यक्त करिवा जेमिति the force between them two parts है is minimum the force between them is minimum when they are separated by some distance in air अर्थात how the charges are divided हमें केमिति चार्ज को डिवाइड करिवा जते बेले they are separated by some distance of any value the force will be minimum केमिति करिवा देखो suppose a charge is here and this divided into two parts let it be one part is q and another part is yes q minus q so that implies the total charge kete gala the total charge is equal to q plus q minus of q these are the two charges hala the charge is divided in such way one is the q then another part is q minus q so this is your q1 and this is your q2 suppose these two charges are separated by a distance r clear let r is the distance between them let r is the distance of separation clear let r is the distance of separation tell me what is the force tell F is equal to tell F kete gala tell F is equal to जेहेतु there is no numerical values तो हमें कौन करिवा तल F is equal to we can write the formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 by q2 by r square this is the force तल F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 by r square next तल now put the values of q1 and q2 तल this is equal to F is equal to कते गला 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 yes then write the value of q1 is equal to q and q2 that is equal to q minus q whole divided by केता छे r square this is the force हला between the two fragments but two हला parts तो एबे हमें देखिबा कोन कंडीशन अछि the force will be minimum तो what should be divide the charges the force between them is minimum तो for minimum force for f min for minimum force तो कौन करिबा for minimum force how the charges is divide r is constant right तो how can you divide the charge for minimum force the first order derivative of with respect to q q कहा को डिवाइड कर से q तले हमें एफली भाव में डिवाइड करिवा जंदी फोर्स मिनिमम हबो तले df by dq should be 0 हला तो मैथमेटिक्स रे पढिबा एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव रे हला if a function is q then what is its minimum how can you find out the minimum तले प्रथम बाहर करिवा df by dq is equal to 0 df by dq is equal to 0 the differentiate तले d by dq of f केते अछि 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q into q minus of q divided by r square is equal to 0 so that implies so this is your constant term taking outside so 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 so d by dq and এটি গুণি দিও তাহলে q q minus of a q square by this is also outside r square ହେଲା r square d by dq ହେଲା is equal to 0 ହେଲା তাহলে বর্তমান দ্যাট ইমপ্লাইজ তাহলে আমি এটাকে যদি এপটে ডিভাইড করে দেব 0 বাই সামথিং ইজ ইকুয়াল টু 0 তাহলে d by dq into qq minus of a q square is equal to 0 ক্লিয়ার দিস সাইড এপটে ডিভাইড করে দিও তাহলে কেটে গেল 0 তাহলে আমি কত পাইলে তাহলে d by dq of q into q minus of a equal 0 তাহলে r ডেরিভেটিভ কেতে তাহলে that is equal to d by dq of কেতে হলা q q minus d by dq of q square is equal to 0 clear তাহলে that implies তাহলে d by dq of q q is equal to আপনি নিয়ে যাও তাহলে d by dq of q square তাহলে that is equal to কেতে হয়ে গেল দেখা তাহলে this yes এটা কেতে হয়ে গেল q তাহলে q is taking outside that is constant তাহলে dq by dq তাহলে dq by dq is equal to কেতে হয়ে গেল 2 এটা কেতে হলো d 2q 2q তাহলে q is equal to কেতে হয়ে গেল 2q তাহলে that implies q is equal to q by 2 অর্থাৎ if the charge is divided exactly half if the charge is divided exactly half whatever may be the distance the force is always minimum हैला पर the for minimum charge the charge is divided exactly half हमें the charge को ठीक half कर दबा ताहले whatever may be the distance the force is always minimum देखो हैला तले for minimum force তাহলে for minimum force তাহলে কোন হয়ে গেল the charge is exactly divided by equally the charge is equally divided into two parts the charge is equally हैला equally divided into two parts हैला two parts clear so this is the हैला তাহলে এইভাবে ভাবে we can find out by using the Coulomb's force we can find out the force between the two charges clear हैला तो नेक्स्ट क्लास देखिए the force between the two protons the force between the two electrons and force between the protons and electrons and find the relation by comparison with the electrostatic force and with the gravitational force clear thank you to all